The Grizzly G0774 automatic edgebander is made for the growing cabinet or production shop looking to upgrade its current edgebanding capability. Designed for fast-paced production, this edgebander is flexible enough to handle ABS, PVC, laminates, and wood tapes and strips. It easily processes panels from 1/2 inch to 1 3/4 inch thick using tape from 0.5 mm to 3 mm thick. With a pedestal mounted control panel with a Photec temperature controller, this machine offers the operator full control over all stations. Well-designed and clearly laid out internal electric and pneumatic components mean reliability, faster setup times, as well as easier cleaning and maintenance. Additional features include an adjustable heated infeed fence for improved glue adhesion, a large 10.5 inch wide by 78 3/4 inch long table featuring a pull-out support with rollers for handling larger panels, an automatic belt feed for precise and repeatable results, easy access to internal working components, a Teflon-coated glue pot with 5 heating elements, 2 4-inch dust ports for excellent dust collection, and a pair of buffing wheels for a perfect finish. The G0774 comes with a 1-year warranty, which covers parts and assures the unit is free from factory defects. The manual was written by our US-based technical documentation department and makes it easy to assemble and maintain your edgebander. Grizzly's customer service, technical support teams, and parts warehouse are also US-based. For details, specifications, pricing, and availability, visit grizzly.com. Grizzly's best edgebanding solution for the growing production shop, the Grizzly G0774 automatic edgebander.